In today's video, I am going to teach you how to email your blog post on Constant Contact. To begin, log into your Constant Contact account. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the Campaigns tab. This is where you create and manage the emails you send to your audience. From there, select Create Campaign to start building a new email. When the campaign options appear, choose Email. This tells Constant Contact that you want to create an email campaign rather than another type of marketing message. After that, you will need to pick a template. For this process, make sure you choose a template that includes RSS functionality. This is important because the RSS feature allows Constant Contact to pull content directly from your blog feed and place it into the email automatically. After selecting the template, click Customize. This will open the email editor, where you can adjust the layout and prepare the message. Inside the editor, drag and drop the RSS block into your email layout. Place it where you want your blog content to appear. This block is what connects your campaign to your blog feed, so it is the key part of this setup. Once the RSS block is added, try editing the image. This helps you confirm that the content area is working the way you want and gives you a chance to improve the look of the email. A clean image and layout can make the final message more appealing to readers, so it is worth taking a moment here to review the design. Next, enter your blog's RSS feed URL in the RSS block settings. This is the link Constant Contact will use to collect your latest blog post content. Be sure to enter the correct feed address, so the system can find and display the right information from your site. After that, click Continue. This will move you forward to the sending stage of the campaign setup. Here, choose the contact list you want to email. Select the audience that should receive your blog post update, then decide whether you want to schedule the campaign for later or send it right away. Scheduling can be useful if you want the email to go out at a specific time, while sending immediately is best if your post is time-sensitive and ready to share now. Once that is set, your campaign is ready to go. That covers everything you need to know.